Hi, I'm Aubrey, the founder of Retriever, and I'm going to show you how to get started syncing your QuickBooks data directly to Google Sheets. So to start, we're going to navigate to extensions right here. We're going to open Retriever for QuickBooks. And the first thing we're going to do is securely connect our QuickBooks account. This will open a tab at intuit.com where you can safely and securely insert your password. Once that's done, we can go ahead and close this window and go back to our Google Sheet. I'm now going to show you how to create a report and then show you how to update that report for new information that comes in. So first we're going to navigate to create report. We're going to choose a profit and loss for this fiscal year, and we want to show the columns by month. And we're going to do this using the accrual accounting method. So we hit create report, and it's actually pulling the data from QuickBooks, generating a new tab in the sheet, and inserting that data. So I'll just minimize this now that it's successfully created and drag this out of the way. And here we have our first report that we've created using Retriever. Now I'm going to get into how to update this. So let's say that you want to add certain analysis like gross margin. Just going to calculate that, drag it over, and then format as a percentage. I'll also highlight this row so we can see it better. Now let's say we turn the calendar and it's the next month and we need to pull in fresh data to this report. We can do that using Retriever without overwriting any of our analysis so that you never have to do the same analysis twice. For sake of this demo, I'm simply going to delete this data, both above and below the new row we added. I'm going to maximize our window here and navigate to Manage Reports. From there, we'll be able to see all the reports that we've created using Retriever, as well as when they were last updated. So you can see here today at 11:18 we created this report. And now I'm just simply going to click this refresh button, and what you'll see is the data will be added back in without overwriting our gross margin analysis. And there you have it. We've updated our report in Retriever. So I hope that was a helpful, quick demo. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment on the YouTube video or email me at aubrey@gretriever.com. Thanks.